everybody, and welcome back to CAtuned. Today I'm in the Sunshine State of Florida. Well, what am I doing here? Well, we're opening up a warehouse here so we can help better serve you by shipping products closer. So if you're closer to Florida, we can now do that. Additionally, I brought over the Foha, my E30 sedan, and I'm going to show you what we've done to it since the last time you've seen it, which has been a while, but let's also take a look at the shop. All right, guys, progress is coming along. Got it torn apart most of the way. Looking inside, this is glue. There was a heat, like a insulation there, so I went ahead and take it off and clean all the glue, and then we'll redo that. Here, just like I thought, the quarter panel is done, and obviously the tail panel is gone. What else we got? This side. Yeah, we're gonna have to do, we have the whole new tail panel. So when we section this, we're gonna have to blend that quarter panel. So I've taken that piece of the spoiler off. Nothing I didn't expect. The only thing that wasn't seen before is the battery tray on this side is torn. So we're gonna have to fix that. But otherwise, exactly what I expected. All right, guys, we got the quarter panel pulled out. As you can see, the damage that was there is no longer here. It's been cut out, drilled out, straighten everything out. And now the process starts by welding in the new quarter panel, the new rear panel that goes there, tail panel. And then we'll silicone everything in and start the paint process.
now you can see the car. She's all good, back to normal. She's a lot of fun. Blast to drive around, even here in Florida, in California, and everywhere else. So we'll be visiting shows and doing a lot of fun stuff, and hopefully you enjoyed it. There's more to come.